Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 11-inch Android tablet 128GB Wi-Fi Bluetooth S Pen fast charging USB-C port, Mystic Black. PC performance, tablet portability, transform your tablet into a PC experience with DeX mode and the optional keyboard with expanded trackpad. Keyboard sold separately. Entertainment upgraded. Experience cinematic viewing with larger edge-to-edge displays, TFT LCD screen, and AKG quad speakers with Dolby Atmos Surround sound. Redesigned S Pen included. With improved 9 milliseconds pen latency, the redesigned S Pen can control presentations and take notes effortlessly. Change the way you game. Bring console gaming anywhere thanks to available Wi-Fi connection, an immersive screen, and Bluetooth-enabled controller. Charge fast. Power for hours. Go for hours on a single charge, and back to 100% with the fast-charging USB-C port. Capture and connect. Experience stunning brightness and clarity with the wide 13MP and ultra-wide 5MP dual back, and 8MP front-facing cameras. Sync and send from anywhere. Easily sync up and share content with compatible Samsung devices. Say Netflix. Start streaming. Netflix now supports Bixby Voice, so you can start streaming instantly with voice command. DeX will be available on ROS or above. Sold separately. Battery life may vary depending on network environment, usage patterns and other factors. Netflix streaming membership required. The Netflix app and content availability may vary by country. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.